Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your footer. So you'll go to dashboard, when you log in you'll be presented with your dashboard. You're going to go to templates, and you're going to go to theme builder, and then you can click on the menu, the footer here, or as I said in the previous, I prefer to go to the table view. Let that load, and then we'll just click on edit with Elementor for the footer. We'll let that load. As you can see, you've got the header at the top there, but this is the section we're working on. As you can see, it's built very similar to the other pages, which is all columns and rows as with Elementor. So we just click on the row here. There is your width, which is set to 1200. You go to your style. There is a background. As upload, it's given us the world with the dots in the background. And then if we come to the second row, there is your row again, matched to 1200, but your height is a little bit different, but we've got the same background here. So this height here, we've got the bottom set as 5 pixels, and then the top set as 0. If we go to the first row, the top here, we go to advanced, we've got the top padding set to 120. If we're to make that 50, as you can see, the distance of the background is now a lot less. We'll make it 120. If we make the bottom 120, as you can see, it's now equal heights, but it looks a bit odd because it's a big space between the copyright at the bottom. So we'll change that to 50, and then it kind of makes the space look the same from this section and this section. But as you can see, this row is clicking on columns, as you can see here. This is the logo. This is an image, image of your logo, and you can just click there. We've made the link site logo, so if anyone clicks on it, it'll take them to your front page. If we come to this section here, this is a header where it says our services. This section here is a menu. So as you can see, we've got it set as footer widget menu 2. There we go there. We'll just set it like that. In the previous video, I've showed you how to edit your menu. At the top there, you'll just select which menu you want to edit, which will be, and then you'll choose this one if you want to change the footer. But you've got your style in here, your hover, very similar. The one thing that's different is in the previous video about the header, I showed you the breakpoint regarding your menu. Because it's a footer, we don't want any breakpoint, because then you're going to get that hamburger menu. So that's why it's set as none. On the last column here, we've got contact, which is the heading, and here we've got icons. Now, as you can see here, we can just move them around if we wanted to, like this. If we click on it, we can change the icon if we wanted to. There is the text, which is the number, and then there is the link at the bottom here. So when they're on the mobile, they'll be able to click on that number. Right, same thing, it's just a different number here. Here is your email address, and then there is your link, so that when they click on it, they will open up their email app. And again, here is your address, your physical address, which is there. All right, there's one thing that you would have to change every year. If you go to the bottom here, which is your copyright, as you can see, it's a heading. You just got to change that next year on the 1st of January. You'll just have to change that to be 2025 rather than 2024. So that is one of the changes you'd have to make annually, but that's a very quick 30-40 second change. All right, and then that is how you edit your footer.